Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out the Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill, seen here in red. Although, if you like a different color, it's available in green, black, blue, orange, and titanium. Wow. It's got the Amazon's Choice endorsement. It has over 4,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.8 out of 5 stars, which is very high for that many ratings. It has porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates, a cast aluminum lid and body, and it's 24.5 inches long by 20.5 inches wide and 40.9 inches tall, and weighs in at 26 pounds. The single stainless steel burner produces 8,500 BTUs per hour of heat, and it has 189 square inches of total cooking area. It's got a built-in lid thermometer, folding side tables, a glass reinforced nylon frame, and removable catch pan. It also has an easy start electronic ignition system and infinite control burner valve settings. And this one uses disposable 14.1 or 16.4 ounce LP cylinders, which are sold separately. And it comes fully assembled right out of the box. Nice. But if you ever need to disassemble it, it has 3D interactive assembly instructions available through the free BILT app. Now let me share with you a nice review from a verified purchaser. I purchased this grill after using my old tabletop grill for 10 years. My only regret was not buying this grill 8 years ago. The grill is primarily used when we travel with our RV. It's the perfect size to stow away and then use when we need it on the road. This grill gets extremely hot and cooks fast with even heat. One of my favorite design features is the bottom of the grill does not get smoking hot, so you can set it on picnic tables and other surfaces without it damaging them from the extreme heat. My old grill actually bubbled the bed liner on my truck tailgate. Ooh. I like this grill so much I'm considering using it at home as my primary grill since we rarely cook for more than 4 people. The last time I used it, I put 4 steaks on it in fairly windy conditions and it performed with no problems. The electric igniter works great and is a nice touch. I think the only thing I'm going to purchase is the assembly cord so I can hook it to large propane cylinders instead of using the portable 1-pound bottles. Well, that is helpful. Sounds like people are loving this for its portability and its cooking power for its size. So there you go. Pick up this fantastic grill in red as seen here or in any of the other colors, and you can get them with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping. So order today, I know you're gonna love it.